Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with another tutorial video. In this following video, I will be guiding you on how to create KakaoTalk account on your device. In order to create KakaoTalk account, it is very simple. All you have to do is make sure to watch the video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. Before getting started, make sure that you've already installed the application and also make sure to check your internet connection. So since I've already downloaded the application, so then open it or just tap on it. The first interface is that login or sign up. In case you already have an account, so then you'll have to enter your email address or phone number and then password in order to log in. Since I don't have an account on KakaoTalk, so I'll tap on sign up. Next page, there are terms and conditions, so make sure to go through it all, and after done, just tap on I agree to all of these terms and conditions below. Scroll down right to the bottom and tap on agree and continue. So after you're done, on the other page you'll have to log in using your phone number, so then you'll have to type in your number, and then once you're done, tap on OK. So right in center there's a confirmation saying that a verification code will be sent, so then tap on OK. So then enter the verification code. After you're done entering the verification, automatically you will be directed into another page. So over here you'll have to create a password, so then type in your password, and once again in order to confirm you'll have to type in once again, and once you're done creating your password, tap on OK right in center. Next page you'll have to enter your personal information. So first of all, enter your name, and after that you can either enter date of birth and gender. Those are optional. In case you don't want to add it, just simply leave it blank and then tap on OK. Next page, you can either link your email address on your KakaoTalk account. In case you don't want to add your email address, just simply tap on skip, which is right at the bottom. Now you're all set, and here you can see that your account has been created. So that is how you can create KakaoTalk account on your device. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.